Hi, I'm Lori Ann Rickard. I am president of Rickard and Associates, a Metro Detroit law firm that specializes in estate planning. I've been practicing law for 37 years, and we created this YouTube channel because we have clients that have questions that they commonly ask, and we thought that we would provide some just short videos that would give you some idea of some of the answers to questions that you might have. If you find this video helpful, we'd appreciate it if you would like it and subscribe to the channel so that you can get other updates of questions that may be things that you're concerned about. So the question today is, what age should I get an estate plan? Is it just for older people? When should I start to think about this? And really the magic number is when you hit the age of majority, which is 18. And I know a lot of people are not thinking about estate planning when they're 18 years old, but you can do very simple things that are very helpful when you're at that age. You can do a medical durable power of attorney in case you were to get sick or were in the hospital, to identify who you'd like to help you care for yourself and make decisions for you if you were in the hospital, and a financial durable power of attorney, similarly, who would handle your finances if there was an issue and you couldn't do it yourself. So that, is what you're thinking about when you're 18. As you're moving older, obviously, it becomes more significant what documents you need. So you might, when you're 18, be thinking about a medical durable power of attorney and a financial durable power of attorney. But when you're 25, you've got your job, maybe you're thinking about, getting married, you're living with somebody, you might be thinking about buying a house. That's the time when you want to start to think about both a prenup before that marriage, and that's something that for parents you might want to think about helping your son or daughter do, because if they inherit money from you upon your passing, it's important that that money be protected. So a prenup is a very good idea to think about at that age. In addition to doing a trust, because you may be starting a family and you need to talk about guardianship for your children and those kinds of things. As you age, then that trust needs to get updated. As you acquire a home, that needs to be included in your trust. Maybe you get a vacation home. Maybe you get an inheritance that changes your situation. You want to be thinking, after you get your trust in place, every 5 years or so, gosh, have I had something change that, for instance, if you did your trust when you had your first child when you're 25, maybe you have 2 more children by the time you're 35, and those children need to be included in your trust. So you can see that the trust is a growing document that you just check in. We have clients that just call us and say, hey, I need to update my trust, do an amendment, a restatement, because I had this thing change. And obviously, as you get older, it becomes more important to revisit it more often, because you may be having significant changes as you're 60, 70 that needs to be addressed in your trust. So that should give you some idea of when to be thinking about a trust. Again, my name is Lori Ann Rickard from Rickard and Associates. Our telephone number is 586-498-0600. If you have other questions, please put them in the comments below. We will try and address them in another YouTube video coming up. And again, we'd really appreciate it if you would subscribe to this channel and like this video if it was of help to you. Thanks, and have a great day.